A tanker carrying chlorine travels through the Conwy Tunnel, but it wouldn't be allowed into the Mersey Tunnel. Legislation prevents chlorine and some other chemical substances being taken through British toll tunnels. But as there's no toll on the 3 tunnels that have been built on the A55 expressway, chemicals can be taken by road without restriction across North Wales.
What is the difference between, say, a tanker having an accident in a non-toll tunnel compared to a toll tunnel? You know, the same regulations should apply. And imagine the length of the Conwy Tunnel, for instance. An accident there with perhaps a bus behind, perhaps some cars. It could cost many, many lives.
Throughout the year, 5 tankers a day carry chlorine and ethylene along the A55 and through villages on Anglesey to the associated Octel plant at Amlwch. There the chemicals are used to extract bromine from the sea, and that in turn is taken back across North Wales by road. A year ago, all the chemicals would have been transported by rail in 5 journeys a week.
The people of Conwy should be completely reassured that there are lower risks now associated with the transport of chlorine by road than what used to be the case before when rail traffic was going through the centre of Conwy. Railways go through centres of population. Roads have been built to bypass centres of population.
But Friends of the Earth Cymru believe chlorine, ethylene and bromine should only be moved by rail. They say the presence of these substances on the roads constitutes a far greater hazard to life and the environment than if they were moved via the rail network. While the debate continues about which method of transport is safest, some people are left wondering why a substance considered too dangerous to travel under the Mersey can be taken unhindered under the Conwy.